So, are you ready to brand your business the right way? Don't worry. If you're completely unsure of how to even go about deciding on colors, I have the perfect tool to help you with that. Hey there, I'm Danielle, web and graphic designer, bringing you tech tips and tutorials to help you stand out from the crowd. So when you first get to Cooler's website, you're going to click on this big blue button over here that says Start the Generator. And then it's going to load 5 bars of different colors for you. And you can hit the space bar if you decide you don't like any of the colors, and you can keep hitting that space bar and it'll keep generating all 5 different colors for you. So say that you were browsing online and you've decided that there's a color picture you saw that has beautiful colors that you want to start with. You can, on the toolbar up here, go ahead and click on this little camera icon. And if you've got it saved to your computer, you can just upload it from here. And if you just have the website link or the URL to the picture, you can just paste it in there and hit OK. And it's going to pull up and it's going to just pick a couple colors off of what it sees on the image. And you can click on this. Say you don't like this gold. You can click on that color and then drag it around to pick one that you do like. And maybe you want to grab this one. So you want to start with these 3. You'll pick out the rest. So from here, if those are the 3 that you want to keep, just these, make sure that those are the only ones locked. And you can spacebar through again if you want to try to just see what it shows up for you. You've been flipping through, you found a color you like, you can lock it. If you decide that you have an idea of what kind of color you'd like, you can move these bars. If you click on this adjust button, you can move these bars around to find a shade that you might like. Another way to find colors is you can click on the alternative shades button, and between white and black it'll show you some alternative shades for that color, and you can click on one till you find you like it. And don't forget, you can drag it around to compare it next to other colors. Say that you've decided on your 5 colors. You like these together and you want this to be one of the color palettes you're going to make your final decision from. Because ideally it'd be best to make a couple, decide which one you like the best from there to give yourself a couple options. So if you like this one, you want to keep all these colors. Up here on the toolbar, you can click Export and click on PNG. And in a new tab, it'll open up with an image that you can just right click and save. And the cool thing about this is it has the hex code right here on the bottom. And the hex code is used for if you're going to be designing anything graphically or for your website. So if you're going to be doing anything or you're going to be using a web designer to do something, this is a great image to have to send right over to them, because they have all of your brand colors you like right there at the ready with the hex codes. Don't forget to subscribe for new videos every Thursday at 9 a.m. Central. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!